Let's see, I don't know. Yeah, I do know. It's just I'm not so good at making videos. I'd rather work on a radio, fix something or design something. But basically this is a toy box. And this is a mic tester. How does this work? Well, got one plug there, 4-pin Cobra Uniden. And basically it plugs into the jack. In a second.
Welcome to Melissa's Toy Box.
And that's the welcome message when you first turn it on. And you've got 9 buttons. And so let's take a button. Let's try this one. Got Betty Boop on there. And each time you hit it, she'll play Betty Boop. And the catch is let's say we don't want to listen to Betty Boop anymore. This button has more than one toy on it. So all you gotta do is double tap, and you'll notice how the toy stopped playing when I double tapped it. Now it's at the next toy in the list, and all you gotta do is tap it, which happens to be a spring. In fact, we can do it like this. I'll push this button. You see that would be the radio keying up with the red light. It's back in receive mode on the green light. And there's actually 6 toys programmed into this button. Now, that's button number 4. Okay, the first one is Betty Boop. The second one is a spring, boinging spring. I called the next one a swing boink. Kind of hard to describe this stuff. After that, flagpole ring, go ahead and make my dinner, and third one, the last one, the 6th one in that list on number 4. A little bit dirty, but let's double click number 4 again. Okay, now we're to the next one. There we go. That's what I call the swing boink. Let's go to the next one. Now we're on the next file on button number 4. And that's basically it. Now, of course, this does have another jack, and it's hooked up to a microphone. And you can see we can hook it up and talk on it. Now, the interesting thing, what was that last one? I think that was a flagpole. But this is the Keyup button. If you get the upgraded thing, you'll get a Keyup button that works. Also, if we push it once, it says the word off. It means it's definitely turned off. That's just the Keyup noise toys turned off. But if I double tap it, now you heard the ping. Now we go through it like this. And it'll keep keying up. Of course, if we want to shut that off, all we gotta do is double tap it. Now it says off. We can key it up again. Now, what if we want to make that noise of Roger beep instead? Well, you guessed it. Double tap the button. There we go. Now we can key the radio up and talk on it. And when we let go, basically when we let go, it works as a Roger beep with that sort of sound effect. And any toy, any sound effect we can play, it'll work as a Keyup toy or a Roger beep toy, any toy on the list. Let's say we want to change that one. Now we're going to double tap number 4 and go ahead make my dinner. Okay, there we changed it.
Go ahead, make my dinner.
Now, let's say we want to change that, and we can hear that. I'm going to shut that boing off. I don't really want it. Okay, we shut the boing off. Now we can hit the button, it'll say off. Now I'm going to do is turn the Keyup toy on.
Go ahead, make my dinner.
There we go. Now we got go ahead and make my dinner.
Go ahead, make my dinner. Go ahead, make my dinner.
And there's that is. And if we want to turn it off, there we turn it off. Now, what about more toys? I've only got 6 toys per button on this. So what we're going to do,
Bank 1.
We're on bank 1. Let's go to bank 2. Now we're on bank 2. Okay. Bank 2. Number 1's a cuckoo clock. The second one is a classic doorbell. The third one, hopefully we get this camera to focus more, it's a man, baby. Then Duck Job, that's another dirty one. Then Simpsons, Apu saying thank you, come again. And Stupid, oh, you gotta be stupid to get fired on your day off. So let's do this. Double press this. Now it will not start on number 1.
You got to be a stupid motherfucker to get fired on your day off.
There it is. If I want to make that a Keyup toy.
You got to be a stupid motherfucker to get...
And if you want to stop a toy, usually it'll stop. All you gotta do is tap the button. But now to start the toy again, because we put it on the Keyup.
You got to be a stupid motherfucker to get fired on your day off.
There it is.
You got to be a stupid motherfucker to get fired on your day off.
And again, if we just want to shut that toy off, double tap it, and then hit the button, you can see it's off. But yeah, you plug a microphone in, you plug this into your radio, and the red wire hooks to 12 volts. Not sure what else to say, but that should be pretty good.